sure you've all seen some of these before, but new to me, so it's fun. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. That's nice. And here's number 2. This will be nice because it'll help me do my layout. That's 600.2 from my sub at 112. That thing is cherry. So this is how the amps will lay out in my rack here. I'm going to double stack them just like this. It's going to take some doing, as you can see. I'm super tight on space here. It's going to be something like that, but should look pretty good. One sub over there, two amps over here. I was kind of considering sliding one down a little bit, putting my fuse box above that one and having this one float right over the top of it like that. So it's just so close on space. I'm gonna end up having to bump the face of this little amp rack out slightly, kind of in a positive. Yeah, that's what we're looking at. It's going to be sick. So I have the fiberglass now resectioned into 2 pieces. I have this basic enclosure framed up, subwoofer side here, amp side here. They'll both get faces installed on them. This one will be screwed in, that one will be magnetic over the amps. I really don't like the way the bottom of this fits. The rest of it fits really good. But I'm probably going to end up just cutting the bottom off and re-glassing it in the truck onto this box all in one shot. There's some serious challenges with this. I'll get through it, but yeah, there's some pretty good challenges. This ends up being so tight in here that I'm going to have my nut certs in place before I fiberglass it, because it's going to get stuck in there. It's really tight. It's only like this, maybe an inch, if that, 3/4 of an inch off the fiberglass. So I'll probably have to install those first before I can get in there and glass it on, just to stay ahead of the game. Other than that, it's pretty nice. I'll get this thing put in my truck and screwed in tomorrow, and then just lay a couple coats in the truck, probably 2 or 3 good layers on it in the truck, and then I'll pull it back out and I'll finish it on my workbench. And yeah, but I think it's coming along. Good progress for the day.